I was born male at birth, and I am thankful and blessed to be on this earth as a 35-year-old black trans woman and to still be alive. My name is Monique Fontaine, and I am a licensed beauty advisor at Sephora. I identify as a black trans woman. I love working at Sephora because I get to interact with a rainbow of people. You have different nationalities, you have different religions, you have different ethnicities. You have a different human coming into your building every day of the week. I grew up in a small town. My challenge was trying to navigate being trans at a young age. The internet, it's not like it is now, so I was left to my own devices. I really kind of just found my way through the power of makeup. Pronouns are very, very important for anyone in general because it shows a sign of respect. But I also think that, pronouns are really important for safety. I still get misgendered to this day. If we're in the wrong spot at the wrong time and you do that and someone doesn't know that I'm trans, it could be detrimental to my safety. Black trans women are getting killed every day. It's really sad and scary because can you imagine having your life taken away from you just at the peak of your existence, It's hard enough being in your own skin and wanting to be who you want to be and being proud of who you are, and it's devastating when someone is so ignorant that they don't care about your life. We have a target on our back. I feel like sometimes my safety is at risk. I am thankful for the many, many Black and Latinx trans women that came before me that paved the way to make sure that my journey was smooth and effortless. I feel like if you didn't have Stonewall or you didn't have the Harlem Renaissance, none of this would have been possible. I wouldn't be sitting here. Those women really helped me shape the person I am today, and if it wasn't for them, I don't know where I would be. If you have a platform, use it for something positive. That's another reason why I love working for Sephora. It's given me the platform and the power to just be who I am authentically. It's been an epic journey. I can honestly say that it's an incredible company to work for, and I am thankful that they celebrate and acknowledge trans women, especially Black trans women, because we bring different life experiences and a different journey. Diversity is key to defining someone that's beautiful. If I saw 11-year-old Monique sitting in front of me, I would say, little girl, keep your head up. And make sure that you have a killer pair of pumps in your bag at all times.